Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to descale your coffee maker. So first I turned it on and I let it preheat. So then I'm going to take the lid off. I've already put half water into the reservoir. Then you're going to do the next half just white vinegar. It's plain old white vinegar. Okay. Pop the lid back on. Get yourself a big old coffee mug. And then lift the top. Oh, take that pot out of there. Continue. Do your highest amount of water and then press start. And you're going to continue to do this until all the water is gone. And that'll clean out all the gunk and lime scale, all the buildup that gets into coffee makers, all that nasty stuff. I'm going to show you this water when I'm going to do one more and then I'm going to show you the water. It's kind of nasty. A lot of times your coffee maker will tell you to do it. It'll pop up and say ready to descale, or if you find that you're making coffee and the coffee's starting to kind of taste weird or gross, you might want to do this. Okay, I'm just going to show you the water. See the color of it? It's kind of yellow. So you're going to, like I said, you're going to just continue to do that until it's finished, and then you're going to fill the reservoir with water, just straight water, and do this one more time, and that'll get all the vinegar out of the machine. Okay, so I'm going to continue to do this. I won't make you guys sit through it all. And I hope this video has helped you. Please subscribe. Thanks.